I've got a lot of stuff I need to show you guys, so let's just get right into it. So first off, we got some new gun assets, which is always cool. Now that we've got 2 artists on the team, we are making double the progress. So we should definitely be able to finish the game in the 6-month deadline that we started out with. You can see on the screen right now that we have the revolver and the shotgun assets in the game right now. I think these are going to be permanent. They might not be, but they're really good, so they're probably going to be permanent. Alrighty? So currently, enemies just kind of take bullets and throw them. That's not really how it works. So I got some pistol assets, and I'm just going to implement them into the game. And you should be seeing the final product on the screen right about now. Yeah, that kind of didn't work. But you know something that did work?
Weapon swapping.
So yeah, weapon swapping works, and on the screen right now, you should be seeing an example of it. It works pretty well, surprisingly well actually. I've got no clue how it works. Yeah. But on the bright side, I did manage to implement a few blood assets, which you're going to see on the screen right now. Yeah, they're looking pretty solid. I'm really happy with them. They're made by our artist on the team. So yeah, credit him for that. Today, I need to get to work on adding the streets into the game. I'm going to add the buildings and stuff later, but I need to buy that, so I'll do that probably in the next devlog. You can expect me to buy that. But yeah, today I'm putting my engineering hat on, and we're going to get straight into this. I think that the #1 complaints among the playtesters was they kept getting stuck on weapons.
Pog!
So, like the pro that I am, I went ahead and fixed that just like this. No, I'm just kidding. It took literally like 5 hours to fix. I don't know why. It was such a simple fix too. Next, our artist got slappity slapping on working on a new gun, and he came up with this awesome laser sniper thingy. So I implemented it into the game, and I think it looks pretty solid. I'll show you a clip of it right now. That was a pretty weak snap. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this week's devlog. I just wanted to remind you guys that our Discord server is up and running. You can play test the game, and you can also chat with us and stuff. Yeah, it's actually pretty boring. Don't join it. But yeah, just a reminder. And we also have a Patreon set up, but yeah, don't support.